Alright, I just want to do a quick, hopefully fairly short video. I've changed a spot on the layout here, and I've got a little scenery done. You can see behind me there's some more green and some stuff going on over there. So yeah, I'm going to show you what I did. Casey Duran and I had talked because I was going to do the Phillips Environmental, which used to be Emerald, and since Emerald sold it, I guess they no longer use any cars there to get rid of the contaminated soil. So I went to the spot that's right next to the fertilizer building, which is Weaver Brothers, and they get a few cars every now and again, some ISO tanks, and I guess some bulk commodity and hoppers. So I'm going to do that, more realistic. Yeah, I'll do a little more description, and I have some pictures. Hopefully that will all, I can work on putting them in without screwing everything up. So we'll give it a try. So I have the parking lot or gravel lot or whatever you want to call it here. They park cars here, and in the picture you'll be able to see that a little better. And then you'll see all the trailers, and there's everything on the other side of that, where I have some grass and some dirt down now. That is the Alaska Classic Motion. Looks to be like a salvage yard. So I can put all sorts of junk here, and in the picture you saw the trailers and all that stuff. So between there and the main line, I've got some bushes I got to add to. And I've done some static grass here. And on the back side here, we got the drive over across the tracks done. And then this will be the Weaver Brothers spot now. So I can see from the pictures they have, must have a hose or something here. But then here it looks like I got some taller grass, and they have a junk truck sitting there and some other parts. And then on this side too, where the tree is, they've got some junk thrown in. It's kind of nice with the satellite. You can see what's going on. Yeah. They've got a little patch of tall static grass here. You'll see that in the pictures where that is. And then I did just a little more over here on these side of these buildings. So yeah, getting a little done. Hopefully it looks pretty good. Thanks for watching. You can leave your questions, comments below. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you.